YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with just a small little haul from Tim. So, before I went there, I did go to Best Buy. I just picked up some of these CD holders. I use these for my dies, and they're color coordinated, and that's why I use these, and they're cheap for $50. So I like to put my dies in different colors. Since I started dyeing, I use these to use my smaller dies in by colors, and I have a system to that. And then I stopped by Hobby Lobby. Really didn't find anything, but I did have 40% off coupons, so I did pick up this pocket by Sizzix. Tim Holtz, you've seen that die. It's a two-piece die set to mix a pocket. I really like the die. I got, Lady Cree sent me a pocket in her swap with me, and I liked it. So I went on and decided to get it 40% off. So the rest of everything is just from Tuesday morning. Just a tiny haul. Okay, stuff falling down. So they had 3 different packs of felts, and actually one of these I forgot. This one I forgot to show. This like a week or two ago. 10 sheets for $2.99. And these are the 9x12, so these are actually really large. This fits the whole entire size of a page in your art journal. Excuse me. So they're a nice size. And it's $1979188, and this is primary felt 10-piece. So you can see the colors. You got your yellow, your greens, your blue, your orange, and your red. So they're in primary colors. They also have a pastel one. I didn't get the pastel one because glitter like was smudged on the white that was in there, and I didn't know how many pages it was kind of messed up on. So I had that one for a couple of weeks, and I just forgot to show it. And this is the black and white one. It says white black felt, and it's $1979190. So they do have different numbers, and that's $2.99. So this is just 5 and 5, 5 white and 5 black. So if you're looking for felt 9x12, that's a nice size piece, and you can cut that multiple ways. And I don't really necessarily work with felt too much, but I thought I'd try it. I see Gloria make a lot of stuff with it, so I thought I might. And I've seen Veronica too, so I thought, maybe I'll try some felt. And I went to Target, and they had some for $12.99, pretty colors, but I already had got that, so I said I just keep that since it was cheaper, and I don't know how often I'm gonna use it. But the Target has some really nice colors as well, but the other pack had some pretty pastels in it, not as many. It was only like 5 different colors, so if you can find that one, I don't know the SKU number on that one, but it's got to be pretty close in number to those. Small tiny haul, what I picked up from Tuesday morning. I just picked up some more of the rings. The DIY shop is 2 sizes in here, so it's 6 and 6, and it's $1.99. And again, I use these for flip books, project life, and of course mini albums. You can use these tag flips, envelope flips, just various things like this. So you have, and this one's a 1/2 inch, and I believe 1 inch is the other side in here. That's what it looks like to me, because that's a 1/2 inch. And the number is 1962740. You can also get these at the Dollar Tree. So, but it was $12 for 2, and that's typically about the price that you pay. Actually, it's a penny cheaper. I got this a metallic luster, brilliant red. So this is your wax metallic finished, and $1.99. This has been out for a while. Decor Art. 2013048. And so you can just use this wax over a lot of different things in mixed media, just to, especially involve something, and just pick it up. I really wanted it in gold, but I had it in red. I gotta check and see if I have the gold. I don't think I do. I picked up just a couple more BoBunny stamps, like I need another one, but they were pretty. And this one says say cheese, and obviously that's the wrong sticker. That's the circle next to the kitchen. Okay, you know what? The SKUs are not gonna match, because they had the wrong sticker on each one of them. This one says say cheese, and this is actually called Fanciful Flourish. This one is steampunk, and it has up here the circles, and this is simply flowers, and it has the kitchen, which I've already hauled those in my other haul and gave you those numbers. So sorry, the numbers are not gonna help, but you can see them. And they're all at $2.99. The price is correct, just the sticker is different. And there's a steampunk one. This looks like something Jamie would have. She loves steampunk. So I thought, I don't really have a lot of steampunk items. I got the gears last week, so I thought maybe I'd get that. And then this, I thought this was such a cute floral, and I like that little wreath right there. Cute little pretty flowers. So that was that on that. And along with the rest of the mixed media, I just got some more of these for 99 cents. These little architectural things that you can paint, mist, just to give you a little dimension. And I believe I got this black one last week. This is the towel, but it's got another one. 2026581. These are great for your ATCs, your iCads, which is index card a day. That's what I learned them saying. I know some people just says IC. They're the same thing. It's just when they first came out, they was doing them in the challenges. iCads, index card a day. But IC and iCad are the same thing. Project Life, your mixed media art journals, anything that you want to add a little bit of texture to, they're great for that. So they're all $99. This one doesn't have a sticker on it. This one is 2026580. And this one is 81. And then the last thing I got was this last that I passed up on it the last time, but then I didn't look at it really, just because it was still raw. But then I went back and got it because it goes with the Origami Love collection that I got by Richard Gay, and I got all the other ones. So I thought I would go ahead and get this one. And this is a petal fold, and of course this one can cut other things besides just paper. So you can do some chipboard with this as well, or other types of materials, felt. Excuse me. And it's OLSR-001. But the number for Tuesday morning, it's called Petal Fold Die, is 1985751. So you can kind of see that. I have a bigger one that you can make as a card, but this one is just a smaller version, and it's cute to add inside of a card. So this is more appropriate for a card, where the other one is, I have is larger. It is the card itself. Excuse me. Apologize for that. So anyway, that is my haul for today, and thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and hello to all my new subbies. And guess what, ladies and gents, I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.